As human beings, we are prone to give in to our vices and bad habits. It's hard to be virtuous all the time, but there are some serious pitfalls that are worth avoiding. In this video, we are going to show you 5 bad habits which can ruin your life. Try to cut at least one of these behaviors from your lifestyle and let yourself flourish. Number 1. Not eating breakfast. Skipping breakfast is one of the unhealthiest things to do, since it's the morning breakfast from which you get the nutrients to start the day. There are plenty of healthy breakfast options to kickstart your day. Try an oatmeal and Greek yogurt parfait, or meal prep sandwiches and salads. Number 2. Too much drinking. Having little drinks may benefit your health, but overindulging on drinks can be detrimental. There are way too many functional alcoholics out there, and people need to understand that overdrinking can cause serious depression, cancer, liver damage, high blood pressure, and some cancers. Number 3. Eating too much junk food. Never start your day with junk foods. If your breakfast is a bottle of Coke or some Doritos, this is a similar negative behavioral pattern. Your morning starts the day. It should be balanced and provide energy, so try some raw soaked oats and chia seeds with fruit instead. Number 4. Smoking. Researches show that 30% of heart disease deaths are caused by smoking and accounts for over 33% of all cancer deaths. It's one of the hardest habits to break, so there's no shame in vaping to wean off. Number 5. Watching too much TV. Are you among those who sit in front of the TV for long hours? Well, you are at a risk. Netflix binging to an unhealthy extent makes us overall lazier, is scientifically proven to bring on memory loss faster, and stops you from engaging in activities. Try to cap it at 2 hours a day and have a time balance between personal life and watching TV.